Today is World Children's Day, and in Assam that goes to polls within 6 months. The children are releasing their own manifesto for politicians, political parties to incorporate in their election agenda. This was an exercise supported by UNICEF, where over 4,000 children from 17 districts of Assam had put forward their issues and recommendations for political parties to include in their manifestos. NDTV's Ratnadeep Chaudhary caught up with a few of them this morning to bring you what's there in that manifesto.
We are coming to you from the Don Bosco Institute in Guwahati, and these kids have come across the state and they are busy preparing a very, very important thing. They're making the children's manifesto for the elections in Assam. The assembly polls in Assam would take place within 5 to 6 months, and although they're not voters, but they feel that it is time for them to put down on paper a manifesto of the children of Assam, the next generation of Assam, and what they want from their politicians. This is an exercise which has actually involved over 4,000 children across the state, involving 40 civil society organizations, a project supported by the UNICEF, where their recommendations are now going to be given to the politicians. In fact, this group of children here, they're preparing it. This group also involves some special children as well. We'd like to speak to some of them. क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम कुलदीप नारायण बोरा है।
कहाँ से आए हैं कुलदीप?
मैं माजुली से आया हूँ।
माजुली से आए हैं। ये जो आप लोग ये चिल्ड्रंस मैनिफेस्टो डेवलप कर रहे हैं, you're developing this manifesto. So what are the points, what are the recommendations that you want to put forward to the government or to the political parties, because there are elections in Assam?
जो हमारा इस समस्या चिल्ड्रन का समस्या है, वो सिर्फ चिल्ड्रन ही फेस कर रहेंगे। वो समस्या हम सरकार के आगे देंगे सरकार को। वो इलेक्शन के पहले हम लोगों को कहेगा कि ये आप लोगों को हमें करके देंगे, क्योंकि हम जो प्रॉब्लम को पढ़ते हैं वो सिर्फ हमें पता है जो हम फेस कर रहे हैं। तो इसीलिए और जो सरकार को अनुरोध है, ये हम जो ये घोषणा पत्र दे रहे हैं उसको अपने घोषणा पत्र में ऐड करें।
Wonderful. In fact, the children are saying that their problems are only known to them, and the government and the politicians should be aware of it. We'd like to talk to another children. What's your name?
Rim Saitya.
Reem, you're from Guwahati?
Yes.
And you're now writing the recommendation. So what is your recommendation to the politicians?
My recommendation is special child.
Okay. And what do you want the politicians to do for the special child?
I with that government is tool
Okay.
for special child.
Okay. क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम आदित्य कानू है।
आदित्य, कहाँ से आए हैं आप? आपके उम्र क्या है? कौन से स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं? किस क्लास में?
मैं काछा से आया हूँ और मैं क्लास 7th में पढ़ता हूँ और मेरा एज 15 है। और जो रिकमेंडेशन है वो है कि हमारे गांव में इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बहुत ही प्रॉब्लम है। हालांकि गवर्नमेंट ने इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दिया है, पर अभी तक ऐसे बहुत से गाँव हैं जहाँ अभी तक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं पहुँचा है।
आपसे बात करते हैं। क्या नाम है आपका? कहाँ से आए हैं?
मैं आया हूँ बामुनी मैदान फ्रेंडली गुवाहाटी से।
गुवाहाटी से। क्या नाम है?
ईशा कुमारी सिंह।
उम्र क्या है? कौन से क्लास में पढ़ते हो आप?
मेरा उम्र है 12 और मैं क्लास में पढ़ती हूँ 7।
तो ये जो recommendations आप लोग बना रहे हैं, you're making these recommendations that will be given to politicians, to the government. तो ये जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट रहा इतने बच्चों के साथ, आपको कैसा लगा इस प्रोसेस में पार्टिसिपेट करके?
सर बहुत अच्छा लगा।
और क्या recommendations हैं आपके?
हमारा जो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल है वहाँ पे साफ़ सफाई थोड़ा अच्छे तरीके से होना चाहिए। टॉयलेट में पानी आना चाहिए और साफ़ सफाई होना चाहिए।
So there you are, cleanliness, a clean classroom, clean toilets is one of the key areas. There are several other recommendations that these children across Assam have, they have done brainstorming on that. There have been workshops involving them, which UNICEF has conducted. And after that, now they're coming up with a list of recommendations which would be forwarded to the people in power as well as those people who are in opposition, the politicians of Assam. One has to wait how many of those recommendations would be actually part of the political manifestos of different political parties for the Assam elections, which are going to take place in another 5 to 6 months' time. In Guwahati with camera person Sanjay Chakravarti, this is Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.